are. They're starting to move around a little bit more. Their eyes are starting to open. They can actually
Mama,
see a little bit now.
Mama. You don't want to get in there and get them to walking? That little blue girl, she wants to walk.
Oh.
Just come on.
Uh-oh, there's Mom. Oh,
Oh,
but no, she
there
wants
goes
food.
Green's walking. She was. Look at her, look at Pink. Oh boy.
Oh, wiggle.
I'm
Oh,
walking.
there we go.
There's a
Here she
mountain.
goes.
There's a
Yeah,
mountain.
she's starting to walk.
Oh, they're all fussing. They're all fussing. Where's our mama? Where's the milk wagon? Say, where's the milk wagon?
Oh, oh.
Oh. Oh God.
A bunch of drunk little
And
sailors.
look at her tail going up too.
Yeah. Oh, they're starting to play. And
Oh, they're mouthing each other. Oh,
Oh.
bong.
yeah, that's a little red boy. His eyes aren't quite open yet.
You funny little guy. Oh, he's fussing. He says, where's my milk truck? Where's the milk truck? Yes, where is it? Oh, where is it? Where's my milk? Oh, look at Green's eyes. Look at your little eyes. Yeah. Pink says, I want to go walking. I want to go walking. Where are you going to go, huh? Where you going to go? Gonna walk somewhere? A little bit?
Yeah, you are. Okay.
She's gonna bite her brother's tail. Oh, look at Blue.
Oh, there she goes. Nope. Oops.
Hey, little pink kid, why don't you go walking?